In relation to honey, the diastase score is an indicator of the enzyme activity present in honey, particularly the enzyme diastase, also known as amylase, which helps break down starches into sugars. The diastase score is one method used as a quality measure for honey, with higher scores suggesting that the honey is fresher and has not undergone excessive heating or processing, which can degrade enzyme activity. Diastase. Amylase is a naturally occurring enzyme in honey, also known as digestive enzyme. It is also secreted by our pancreas and salivary glands as part of natural functions, although may differ in respect of the host and function. According to some studies, honey enzymes originate from three major sources: plant nectars and secretions, honeybees, and excretions of plant-sucking insects. The enzyme diastase score refers to a measurement that indicates the activity level of the enzyme, diastase, which is responsible for breaking down starches into simpler sugars. Similarly, in nutrient synergy, the presence of enzymes like diastase in honey can work synergistically with other nutrients, enhancing their bioavailability and effectiveness in the body. A higher diastase score can be associated with raw or less processed honey, while a lower score may indicate that the honey has been heated or aged. It may indicate that the honey has been minimally processed and retains its enzymatic activity. Active enzymes enhance the nutritional advantages of honey. In the context of honey quality assessment, the diastase score can help evaluate the authenticity and naturalness of the honey, as some commercial honeys might be heat-treated to prevent crystallization, but at the cost of enzyme vitality. Enzymes are vital in the human body as they catalyze reactions necessary for digestion and metabolism. Enzyme activity in honey, such as diastase, amylase, is a key quality indicator. A higher diastase score may reflect fresher honey with better dietary advantages, such as improved digestion and antioxidant properties. Thus, the diastase score not only suggests honey quality, but also indicates its suitability for human consumption, enhancing its nutritional value. In the same way, as suggested previously in our overview of natural honey, holistic diet, to reap the several advantages found in pure natural honey, holistically, honey is not heated. Additionally, it's important to consider, when assessing the nutrient quality of any food, recognizing limitations provides a more comprehensive perspective. There are inherent limitations and complexities in assessing food nutrient quality with scoring. Factors such as the constantly changing nature of our environment significantly influence plant behaviors and other components. Consequently, while indicators can provide useful insights, they might not always yield definitive conclusions. Therefore, several other facets may be considered to differentiate from poor to a high-quality source. This understanding promotes a more nuanced perspective, encouraging us to look beyond surface-level details. In terms of practicality, by considering various factors, one may make more informed choices. For example, recognizing the differences between natural unheated honey and heated processed honey, particularly their biochemical value, offers valuable insights in holistic diets, contributing to dietary principles and thus potentially better advantages in overall healthfulness. Honey producers now often provide detailed information about polyphenolic content and enzyme activity in their honey. Lastly, a natural food is recognized for its nutritional, medicinal, and therapeutic advantages. Yet, just because a food is nutritionally rich doesn't mean it is not subject to optimization, method, and duration. This again forms a fundamental part of holistics. Subject to individual suitability and individual health status.